Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable crossplay in Marvel Rivals. So all you have to do is launch the game on your console and access this homepage. And then from here, simply select the settings icon that appear on the top right corner and then choose settings. Now at this point, use the RB or the LB button and go to the social section and then scroll down and find the cross-platform option. So by default it is enabled. So if you want to turn it off, simply select it and that will turn off that particular option. And if you want to enable it, simply select it and it should look something like this, meaning that cross-platform has been enabled. Now as you can see, my option has been grayed out, so I am on Xbox. On Xbox, you have to do this from the console settings, like to enable crossplay from the console settings. So all you have to do is access the console settings. And then from the settings, select account, and then scroll down and find privacy and online safety. If you have a PIN enabled, simply type in your PIN. And then from here, choose Xbox privacy. And then select view details and customize. Now at this point, scroll down and find the option communication and multiplayer. And then find the option you can join crossplay network. So if you want to enable cross-platform or crossplay on your Marvel Rivals from Xbox, you can do this. So select allow, that means it has been enabled. If you want to disable it, select block and then exit and the changes will be applied. So that's basically it on how to enable crossplay in Marvel Rivals. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.